how to fix USB debugging grayed out on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now here, so make sure auto blocker button is turned off. So after turn off auto blocker button, go back to end and scroll down to end, click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and you will see USB debugging is here. So if you want to fix USB debugging, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix USB debugging grayed out on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.